in lo dam vekem vo in chu kapa mena ka shwai do na chu kan chhuak do na he pona kan hak me ka kan pa te office te kanu te office te kan tlo do na a theyang anga video on la ka tum do na chuanin lo enjoy nge po ka pe se ya chuanin in zawai chunga lom thu ka hril chawa min lo subscribe pa ka channel tin lo share thina wangin ka lom lut to ka ni ti ham lo share sak don na pam nga ka ham bye bye phat long ei kankal don cha mut pora chuang do lai man gonna sit in the front. Today is dating with my daddy cool. That's my
clothes.
Uncle May, come on our way. He's such a cook, May. Today is very shining, right? Do you like hot weather or you like cold weather?
I like it cool.
You don't like snow, right?
I don't like snow. Don't like it. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you too. How's your day?
Bye. Good.
Love you 5,
Good.
Mom.
What?
Kanu, I love you.
I love you.
Canoe, I love you too.
It's not driving
DMV.
test na do na kapain. Yan tardo chuanin driving test na yang ai china. Is it because of
mask on in here.
yeah, I have with me hey, driving service facility there. Awen at test don exam na don ni kapayan. At sunga luta ka hak me ka to na hian kan engol fe lang enge he USA that na chumo ta hianin he ka hmung chau i disable tia tuna kal thei lo te mo dang te kha ta han i parking here shan hian siam thin pa he dang he ya lo san hiam ta khata mi dang lo pak kha chuanin $250 kan choi ngai thin mo in line me kan he de di
Yeah. Yes.
oh tuna chuanin kapa appointment kan zo chia we just finished the appointment kanu office uncle no we going to kanupui kapa in kanupui di where we going kung uncle don
We're going to see Kanupui.
kan fudon no say kanupui
Kanupui.
kan fudon
Kampudon.
means we gonna see her
Oh.
Kapay cute and my daddy is like a Santa Claus. Kapay in law Christmas putar ang ganti thayto pa mo. Google always think you look like Christmas putar, like Santa Claus.
Oh yeah.
In my language we call Christmas putar. Putar means old man.
Putar.
Christmas putar yeah.
Putar.
Old man.
That's me.
Putar say I am
I
putar.
am Putar.
Putar kani. Daddy say putar kani. Kapay no is a chat. Oh my god, you're so funny. Kain la chalaw ko may. Kapay exam 2 ipas ang em. Do you think you'll be pass your exam for driving? Will be pass or no? Any idea?
Yes, I passed.
Oh, they saw right away.
Yeah. They already told me I
kapa
passed.
tu ay pass ni tu kapa tu a pass. That means my daddy is pass.
Yeah.
He's test.
Apu passed.
Apu pass. Apu ay when I have a kids, fa ka na huna. Kapa he gonna be Apu. How do you say? Apu, I want to poo. Kapu ke eduan ti don mo. Kapaming hi bop niya o chanin i popo te pon ti china ta chanin no pang how chan popo te apu ron ti zel mero putar putar kapay na driving nga kay so license kala na ilaw bangin na kina license te ka na ibe kung chanin wala karpe mo kanu office kampan me kanu te na thona kan think to what was that place heart hospital clinic right kasamhi ka tikira mo tay law dinga kir ka tikir me aw ne ka phiar na kir me ka ni say dang da very ka do se mo agirang yan on ve me te se my daddy ka pa sleeping sleepy I worship you I like this song it's very nice I worship you I worship you but yeah like a nice concentrate God promise right in the darkness that is who you are Kanu
Hey.
I saw you passed
Kanu is walking
How did you see I passed?
because I saw the payment
Kind
go
of
through my
office,
phone.
isn't
Did
it?
you get my text? I sent you
no.
a text that said, whoop, whoop, you passed.
And they're putting a gold star on my driver's license.
What for?
Because yes. Nice.
Candies karuwa
Well, thank you, yeah.
Hey Kanu office kan tloa it's she work very hard
Yes.
and
Look at all my
daddy here
kids.
kapa
I don't work
kapa
very hard.
Kanu
Papa and Canoe.
everybody watch your YouTube and they're like, oh my god, Kanu, Nana, come to Mizoram. Hey, Mizoram, I'll go right there and chill mo video. Te halom, look, you watch her video, she's happy. Vlog ko piyang, they say every time you vlog, you should speak only Mizoram. Kanu office ni,
It's hard.
working hard. Kinapa, berte kanto. Ay, lahin ta, siyang siyang. Workplace
It's
day,
a puppy doll for your
operator how inti lak po ka rin one meal vel ka chuan room sang sang ta ka ma
Got it from Rhonda, for the one with the goats. She got it for me.
oh he no amut thaya khum just this is like a chair but you can make it as bed too right
Yeah.
Kanu with uniform hey ka mom say hey ka uniform anya hey
Hey,
ka uniform
can uniform.
Anya.
Anya.
Showing them with your uniform. Don't tear well the patient room. Hey, patient room, right? This one patient room, right? Mom, you guys are men with heart, right?
Yep, I'm a work for a heart doctor.
Heart doc-
Cardiologist.
Hey, my
Here.
sugar daddy. What's that? Is
That's
that
a heart.
Oh.
That's what the vessels look like inside.
Looks
your-
yummy. Walmart ka kan bazaar do na kan tlinsia kan homain tlai lama steak tu kan lei steak tlai lam chu kan sia mi la grill at ya bong sa kha kan lei do na ka pa ne kan bazaar lok do chuan in lunch store kan lei nga kan pa to office a kan ka yang oh we're looking for
Tiny car.
Walmart hi alian ko may kan laut tilang cha nang this whole like me visible like that am I visible yay shopping oh no because you the video before I asked you to take it's not taking
It didn't take it?
no it's okay yeah hey dress up ben sal ko mo into we doing it trolley or not hey mas wa bo ngai to lo mo chung ve la chuan sia kapa hi akal chak thei lo wa ha mi chan hi du china trolley mo cherry daddy cherry
Okay.
can I take one cherry but which one is good do we have to white them or hey cherry he got favorite niya this looks less
Good.
which one look good
Oh, that's a big one.
wow 3 don't top okay we can
They look
put
okay?
yeah nice
Good?
yeah 3 top niya hey just strong what you looking for
Bag.
a bag of there's bag
Yeah, that's what I want.
hey he the han in thil kan bag du kha kan la top on ne chumo this one bag de What do you wanna put inside?
Do you need any mangoes?
Late Halom Daddy. Tori and hey do better more pineapple at Tomsia. He said pineapple is cheap and maybe we can buy one and then make again fish stuff later on. Still I'm hungry. Okay. I take this one. You want orange? It's very ripe, you know. I want like sour. These are very sweet.
Are these not sour?
No, they're sweet.
I want one that's sweet.
They're very sweet. I cannot because I like, especially this one. Look, looks like dead.
That's sweet?
Yeah,
What is that?
it's mango.
That's mango?
Yeah. Maybe
What?
it's all one.
It's Chukami H.
Yeah, it's kind of mango but different. Kiwi looks good too. Kapay lime meron later. Zela kalang nga. Lime tu kalang nga. Lut to ka inakan na
Really
ilong.
ripe. Good.
Hey, sir, kan na ibing. Like
That's real sweet.
yeah, sweet. Touch
Okay,
it.
I want one that is sweet.
Let me press it. Yeah, it's sweet. Hey, what do you call grapefruit?
That is grapefruit. Each of you put sugar on it.
I want papaya.
I know last time Mom needed.
Oh, the peacock. Yeah, we don't have it anymore. Where?
Water on my finger.
What is that big one? This one, right?
Yes, that's.
Hey,
those are-
Mizaura Matuan. This all including capsicum on us, but one of the friends said this is capsicum. This is not capsicum, right?
This is
Poblano pepper.
Poblano peppers.
Hey, I'm bokkonte yan. Big top mo bokkonte.
We're good.
Hey, kan life kan so siya to na hialin ito kan order do na mo.
Yeah, what's the next one over? Look, Lucy Dogs.
Dog slot.
Oh, sloth. Lucy Dogs.
Oh, we going there, right?
We are going to Jersey Mike's.
Yeah, yeah.
Park next to. The boys get big peppers, jalapeno peppers.
Chicken Philly. Italian flavor. What should we get? Cây đồ cho anh này đó hun đang à cần phải nên có cây đồ food to order chứ. Oh, buffalo wings na chicken thak lot tok mang keng ha ko order ta hian chuanin I he an restaurant bell nya mo kapan dong ha kan hi with my daddy super daddy cool do na he pa birthday office lampang kan pan he kan hi thing trip to eh pa birthday office kan theng to lai state farm ti hinya mo boy lo yo boy kan lutang chi kan lutang
Zonga.
Zonga kapa to kam thalo do pazerti na mo. Hello, who is there?
Yeah, well.
Hey baby.
Welcome to State Farm.
Welcome to State Farm.
Well, isn't the
Lunch, kan lunch ay tour ni hi. Karon huwang nakinat. Okay. I'm on diet. I will eat only this.